This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse. Gorgeous water views from this stately waterfront home in historic area of the Rappahannok River. In Leedstown, Virginia. Boasts 3,900 plus square feet. With 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. Traditional floor plan. Great room with soaring cathedral ceiling and cozy fireplace. 2 first-floor master suites with fireplace. 2 of the bedrooms upstairs have sliding doors out to stunning views of the river on private balcony with fans. Formal dining room with white bar and tile backsplash and wine cooler. Gourmet kitchen with lots of storage and deep copper sink. Formal study with 3rd fireplace. Juliet walkway, 2-car garage and additional space for parking driveway. Located on 1.17 acres. This riverfront home offers fire pit with seating in a gorgeous lush backyard with stunning landscaping, private beach, 135 feet waterfront and boat dock with boat lift in seating area 6 mean low water.